We went and tilled the soil with a shovel, went down about 8 to 10 inches, dug out all of the lower dirt, brought it to the top. Now we're putting a layer of really black dirt on the surface to do a solarization of the soil. So we're going to soak this soil right here, and then we're going to put the clear visqueen over the top of it. We're trying to take out all the nematodes and get ready for a fall harvest or fall planting, so we can have a winter harvest or a spring harvest depending on what's growing.
So the nematodes, when you solarize it, you can only kill them to about 8 inches. So what are we going to do to change that, or try to help anyway?
We may go ahead and till it again.
A second.
And bring it all the way, all the lower soil back to the surface.
Okay.
And then solarize a second time.
Okay.
In about 4 weeks or so.
Okay, somebody asked me what solarize means. What does that mean to the soil?
We're using the sun's rays to heat the soil up to anywhere from 130 to 140 degrees. The soil will get so hot that it'll kill all of the nematodes down below. So that's what we're planning on doing.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The black visqueen only helps partial way, like only a few inches, compared to the clear will heat the soil right all the way down. They're saying up to 8 inches down. So that's why we're using the clear this time.
Yeah, which doesn't make sense, because to me black draws the sun. At least when I have a black shirt on, it does. All right, well, we'll keep you posted. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done putting the plastic.
They also told us to soak the soil. It was supposed to be a heavy rain they were suggesting, to just soak the soil so that the visqueen holds the moisture in, and that way it'll heat further down.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay.
But since we don't have a rain right this second, and I want to visqueen it right now,
yeah,
because I have help.
Yeah. We thought it was going to pour this afternoon, but you know, it's Florida, so Florida kind of does what it wants. So, so we're going to help it. It's really hot out here today. Even with our hats on, we're just sweating up a storm. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.